Termination of ion chlorine can be analyzed through precipitation titration with silver nitrate as chromate as the indicator for the end of titration. This will form a precipitate of silver chloride, which is Ag plus Cl minus is equals to AgCl. Sodium chloride solution. Potassium chromate solution. Silver nitrate solution. Beaker. Burette. Measuring cylinder. Dropper. And the last one, retort stand.
A titration of chloride ions is set up using silver nitrate as titrating agent and potassium chromate ions as indicator. We titrate 10 ml of 0.15 molar approximate sodium chloride solution in a beaker. A few drops of 0.1 molar potassium chromate solution are used as indicator. Place the beaker on the magnetic stirrer and titrate the sample with 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution.
Throughout the titration, look at the solubility of silver nitrate in the beaker. There will be a color change. Observe carefully. Observe the solubility appear as insoluble. Silver chloride is formed. As far as the titration goes on, we observe the increasing amount of precipitate. Close to the end point of the titration, the addition of 1 drop of 3 grams causes the mixture to become red, but the color disappears. The titration is ready when a slight reddish color in the sample is stable. This is due to the red silver chromite precipitates which form only after the entry amount of calorie was precipitated. The precaution which needs to be taken care while performing the experiment about precipitation titrations experiment are: first, keep your eye in level with the liquid surface while taking the reading of the apparatus. Second, make sure the air bubbles has been removed before taking the initial reading. Third, wear a safety equipment such as goggles and gloves to avoid bad effect of chemical. Fourth, always stir and slowly adding the solution to avoid colloidal suspensions occurs. Lastly, focus on the experimental feedback loop to obtain the exact endpoint by closing the stopcock while the precipitate is formed. Remove the air bubbles by opening the stopcock in slowly and partially does not help us, but we need to open it in quickly and fully open, and the result is the air bubbles has been removed.